Hello my friends, my name is Bogdan Curta. We have again a giant box from Thomann. This time it's very big. Let's see what we have inside. And we have inside multiple boxes. We are seeing here Yamaha DM3 digital mixer, the version with Dante, which it will be unboxed, and we'll have also presentations and tutorials for him with audio tests. Here we have a small but very beautiful thing. We'll have also an unboxing actually for this one. I will not open it now, even if it exists the temptation. It's a Germanium transistor, which I want to connect it with this digital mixer for obtaining an amazing sound, a warmer sound. Let's check what we have here. I don't know. Thomann, it's always surprising. It's always offering surprises. Oh, my goodness. Palmer. Palmer. This is a phantom power NDI and phantom power adapter. Great construction. Metallic, amazing. Oh, for his connection we have also two cables here from Cordial, very high quality. And here we have also the Palmer monitor controller, which it will be also the subject of a separate unboxing. I cheated a little also only with this Palmer DI box because I didn't know what's inside. They will be presented in details on this channel. Everything it will be presented, so don't forget to subscribe for amazing videos, musical videos about studio work, about keyboards, about Yamaha keyboards, about digital mixers, about microphones and great music. My name is Bogdan Curta, and from the middle of Transylvania, from my recording studio, Angel Voice Studio, I'm telling you and I'm wishing you all the best and be loved.